Arnie's design calls for the installation of 3 large rain barrels in the front yard. These barrels will help reduce stormwater runoff and provide a watering source for the new landscape. So I'm here with Arnie, and we're putting some finishing touches on this rain barrel system here. And this is the important part, Arnie, like this screen. What's the purpose of this screen here?
So it's twofold. You've got to keep mosquitoes out of here because they'll get in here and nest. And then you also want to keep debris out of here so you can actually get water out of here and it doesn't build up.
And you've kind of ganged 2 together here. Talk to me about this.
But if you ever want to link a couple, there's systems that you can do that are very simple to install. Homeowners can do them. It's just a simple garden hose with a couple of fittings on there. This took me 10 minutes to do.
You can see what he's done here. So he's hooked these together so that this one will fill up, and from here, it will overflow into this one.
Correct.
And you just cut off the downspout right here, and you've got this adapter.
Yeah, it's great because you can extend these out as much as you need to. You can bend them and then just shoot it right into the main opening here, and it'll always fill up. So it's a really great, simple system again, and it hooks right to your existing downspout.
By painting your barrels, you can put a real nice artistic flair, add your style to it.
Melissa West teaches classes in Pinellas County
I'm a barrel hugger.
on how to use and decorate rain barrels.
On these barrels, we started with just a plain white barrel. Then we washed each barrel with a little bit of vinegar water and a brush. After that, we patted them dry, and then we used some sandpaper, around 800 to 1,000 grit, to sand down the outside of the barrel. That way the paint has a little bit of something to grip to. And then once you wipe off any of the dust that you might have gotten from sanding, you're pretty much ready to go ahead and start priming and painting. Right now, I am applying a paint that also has a primer in it. You want to stay about 10 to 12 inches away. If you get too close, the paint will start to drip. Today on these barrels, we used local plants that you can find around in your yard, and then we take them and place them against the barrel, and you can spray paint it. You've got a nice little natural-looking stencil. Here we have one of the rain barrels that I've recently finished.